Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of counselor. A member of a council. For example, Counselor Ralph Lewis. American pronunciation. Counselor. Counselor. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Counselor. Say. Counselor. Counselor means member of council. Counselor. Counselor. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Cooperation is requested from all counselors for the final council resolution. Now, repeat after me. Cooperation is requested from all counselors for the final council resolution. The second practice. The council officers and the planning counselors are to be congratulated on it. Now, repeat after me. The council officers and the planning counselors are to be congratulated on it.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.